Hello, my friends, welcome. And what a week, what a few days we have been experiencing for Bitcoin and basically just the entire crypto market. Many things very important, many very interesting are happening right now. We have many altcoins going up finally. So, like I was saying, guys, and like I've been telling you for months and weeks already, altcoin season is very, very soon to be almost officially inaugurated. Many altcoins are just going insane, man. I mean, they're just pumping straight up. So yeah, let's take a look at this Bitcoin prediction because something really interesting happened, which is obviously, of course, as always, part of my prediction, guys. I need to tell you this one every time, it's every single time, again and again and again. My predictions are no joke. I am extremely accurate. My accuracy is the best you can find ever. There's no one else has this accuracy. There are no other predictions, there's no other technical analysis like mine. So you need to start paying attention because this can potentially save you and make you a lot of money. If you just follow me right, if you listen to what I say. Now, I'm not saying this is financial advice or anything, but the facts are the facts, guys. And the fact is that my predictions are extremely accurate, 90% accurate average, probably even more because so far this prediction is 100% accurate. Every single day has come to pass just like I presented. And especially these last 5 days of the month. Look at this, guys. Look at this. You're seeing that red box that says 5 final. It just means the 5 final days of the month. I told you that around these days we will be seeing massive corrections. And look at these powerful corrections from 98, almost 99, all the way down to just 91. Barely just crossing to 90k. Actually, we touch on 90k for a little bit, but I mean, this is just insane. Almost like at least $9,000 just wiped out in the span of like 2 days, something like that. And I told you this will happen, guys. I told you this will start, especially in the 25 of November. Look at this. This is the 25. Boom. All the way down. And the 26, another massive correction all the way down as well. I told you we are already entering the final 5 days of the month. I told you the collapse, the corrections will start on the 25. There will be lots of volatility on the 26, 27, and 28. Look at this. This is today, 27 of November, guys. Look at this. This is very important. This massive volatility all the way up. Recovery. Now, it's not a full recovery yet. We are sitting on 95k. So it's not a full recovery yet, but it's a recovery nonetheless. Now, this, I mean, we're not right on the clear just yet. In my opinion, there are at least a couple of corrections days, just red days, that are very likely to happen very soon. So you need to be prepared. If I were to say, I mean, it could just happen in any of these last 5 days that I just told you and that appear in the box. But I will be more worried about the 29 and possibly on the 30 because the 30 of November is going to be an extremely volatile day. Like extreme volatility. And that's the day, or around these days, very near this date, where we could see Bitcoin finally breaking and reaching the 6-digit figures, 100k. So I think that could be possible. This is really the massive possibility of these days, of the green days. Now the recovery is also happening because I told you that because we have the final circle of the month in green, which is this one, that always means that that circle, the energy, always has more power. It's a pattern that I have identified, that I have observed ever since I started doing this. So every time this happens, we can see reverberations. We can see other days around this date also sharing that energy. So we're starting to see right now, 27th of November. I think it's a good day. It's a good time to start seeing these powerful impulses. Let's just hope tomorrow is not, if it's going to be a very volatile day, I think it should be, I hope it's a green day, it's a very volatile impulse, because whatever happens on the 29th and possibly on the 30th could wipe out some gains, possibly the ones made today, I don't know. But you already been warned. I told you this like weeks in advance, guys. Remember, I make my predictions every single, like on the first days of the month, or even sometimes prior, where before the month even begins. And I always publish them for free, so everyone can watch them. So there's no excuse, guys. You have no excuses. You could have prepared for this. You could have made massive profits when I told you that from the 10th to the 15th of November, we could see massive, powerful, if not almost consecutive green days. Look at this. This is exactly what I predicted. I told you the same right here. On the last five final days of the month, we could see some powerful corrections. But yeah, anyways, guys, that's all I have for Bitcoin. Now let's take a look at Solana. Now Solana is doing, for the last few days, Solana has not been doing really well compared to Bitcoin. But at least we got a recovery today, which is also driven by Bitcoin. But Solana actually had a red day for today, which is the 27th. So you can see that the impulse is not as strong as Bitcoin. This right here, this movement of today for Solana was almost 100% driven by Bitcoin. Okay, so you all know, and if you don't know, well, it's a good time to start learning this stuff. But Bitcoin, just merely due to the fact that it's the king of all meme coins, of all cryptocurrencies, it's obviously going to drive and influence a lot, if not the entire crypto market. So yeah, Solana is no exception to this. And basically everything, or almost everything that I told you for Bitcoin can also apply to Solana as well. You can see that Solana has very volatile 28, 29, and we have a green 30. So we have to be prepared. Also, the last final circle of the month for Solana is on green. So we can expect more powerful impulses, possibly a full recovery after the crash that we all saw that just happened straight up Solana, like just from the beginning of the day, 25th of November. Just like I told you, it will happen, guys. So yeah. Of course, guys, this is very, very cool. I think Bitcoin has a very bright future. Cryptocurrencies in general, we're starting to see lots of countries suddenly having a massive interest, massive plans for Bitcoin, for cryptocurrencies. I told you this was the future. This is coming. This is inevitable. It might happen in like maybe 10 years, within 10 years, something like that. But it's basically inevitable, and you guys need to learn how this system works, even how to actually program a smart contract. You guys need to know this is not hard. It's not hard at all, guys. I've made it myself, and I have absolutely no knowledge in programming whatsoever. So yeah, I might do a video about this in the future, not in the near future, but in the future, maybe a course, something like that. It's very, very easy, guys. But anyways, okay, so that's all for today, guys. I think I just want to invite you all to subscribe, share, and like, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.